So welcome to the second section of this Bootstrap tutorial, Bootstrap 5 tutorial. So in this tutorial, we are going to look at how to set up our development environment. Okay. In the first video, we had an introduction to the basic, to what Bootstrap is all about. And then in this video, we will be looking at how to set up our environment. Okay. So first of all, there are two ways of setting up the environment. Okay. We have what we call the let me say I will call it the offline version and then the online version. So to just for you to understand what I'm trying to say, we have the online version and then the offline version. Okay, so that is the Bootstrap 5 CDN version. That one is just a matter of including the CDN code into your application. CDN simply stands for Content Delivery Network. Okay, so it's just a matter of including the Bootstrap 5 CDN into your application. And then we have the second type where you would have to download the whole package and then you include it into into your application. So you download the whole package and then you put the package in your application, then you can now link the files. So I'll in this video we are going to work with the second approach. That is, we will download the package and then put it in the application. Yes, the reason is that I sometimes you may not be having internet whilst you are developing, so if that is the case, then it means that you are not going to access the package, because with the CDN approach you need to be connected to the internet to be able to load the resources. You get it? But then the other approach where you need to download the files into they download the whole package and put it inside your project folder, that you don't need any internet all the time to run it. You get it? So we will be going with the second approach, but if you want me to also teach you how to use the CDN approach, you can leave a comment after this video and then I'll work on that for you. But then, not to waste time, I would want to go with the other approach. So let's get started with our environment setup. So first we will go to Google Chrome. Okay, then we would go to Bootstrap, their website. Okay, so that we can download it. So we go to getbootstrap.com. So as you can see, you come to getbootstrap.com, then we search. Okay, so once we get to their website, we can download the theme and then also read some few articles about how to get started and other stuff. It is very, very, very good if you want to use a framework and then you read documentaries. Okay, you shouldn't depend solely on the tutorials we'll be giving you. You have to also read their documentaries. So let me just use some few minutes to take you through. So if you want to read about documentaries, you can click on this tab. You learn how to get started, read about documentaries. You can also have some examples of Bootstrap designs. You see what it is used for, how powerful Bootstrap is in terms of designing. You can also have a look at their themes over here, some applications that the Bootstrap was used to build, like the one we have here. So Bootstrap is a very powerful front-end framework. Okay, and it has both HTML, CSS and JavaScript already built in. But then let's continue with what we have to do today. Once again, once you visit the website, you have to make sure that you are on the latest version. Okay, that is 5.3. Yes, that is the latest version. So you can pick your versions from here, and then you let me go back to the main website. Okay, so right from here we can scroll down a little. Let me see, where's the download button. We should see download. Alright, okay, so once we are on the website, I think we'll go to the documentaries. Okay, go to the documentaries on how to get started. Then we come down to download. So we want to download the Bootstrap framework. Yeah. Then we can download this particular file. So we download the compiled CSS and JS. Yeah. So we just click on it and then we wait for our download to complete. So I'll pause the video here, and then once the download is done, we take it from there. Alright, so my download has complete. So what do? I have to go to the download file, the zip file for the Bootstrap that I have just downloaded, and then I'll extract all the files. Okay, I'll extract the files. Yeah, so let's wait for that to be complete, and then let's see, extract the files. Yeah, so this is what we have. Let me see. Alright, so I'll extract the files like I have just done, and then I'll pick the main folder. Okay, I'll pick the main folder. The same thing here, I think. Yeah, so inside the Bootstrap folder we have two other folders. You can see CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so I'll just copy this folder, this very folder, then I'll go to my desktop and then put it in our project folder. Like I said, it has to be in our project folder. So I'm going to create a folder on my desktop for the purpose of the tutorial as my project folder. So let me call it Bootstrap, not in caps, Bootstrap 5. Okay, so this is going to be my project folder. Then I will come and paste the downloaded file in here. Okay, so I'll paste the downloaded file in here. So this is one step progress in setting up the environment. So once you have done this, the next thing you have to do is to link your files together. Okay, so I'm going to open this folder in my text editor. So I'll be using Sublime for this tutorial. So I'm going to open it here. Okay, so if you can see, this is my root folder. Let me see. Okay, I'm not able to zoom out. This is my root folder, and then this is the Bootstrap folder. To be on the safer side, so that I don't get confused, I would like to rename this file. So let's say Bootstrap 5. Yeah, I think this should work. So I would like to rename the folder. Okay, alright, so I'm going to create a file here as my index file. So I'm going to create a file here as index.html over here. Then I will link my files in, my Bootstrap files into the application. So once again, in order not to have this video so long, we will pause it here, and then in the next video I'll teach you how to link the files. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe so that you get alerts to our new videos and tutorials. So see you in the next video.